Oh, the places you'll go! I can't always show what I'm working on, but at least I can show you a little of where I'm working on it. Hello! Hola! Oh, and by the way, it's not Chile, it's Chile. Say it with me. Chile. Chile. Santiago. Juan Carlos. Hola. I am so grateful that I get to travel to some amazing places for work. Add Chile to one of my favorite countries. My time here has been amazing. Since most of my channel is about travel and work, we'll just call this a 70s